Asmaul Husna, nama-nama yang baik bagi Allah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim, Al-Malik, Al-Quddus, As-Salam, Al-Mu'min, Al-Muhaimin, Al-Aziz, Az-Zabbar, Al-Mutakabbir, Al-Khaliq, Al-Barik, Al-Musawwir, Al-Ghaffar, Al-Qahhar, Al-Wahhab, Ar-Razzaq, Al-Fattah, Al-Alil, Al-Qabid, Al-Bashiq, Al-Hafid, Al-Rafid, Al-Mu'izz, Al-Mudil, Al-Syami, Al-Basi, Al-Hakam, Al-Adar, Al-Latif, Al-Khabi, Al-Alir, Al-Adir, Al-Ghafur, Al-Syakur, Al-Ali, Al-Kawi, Al-Hasib, Al-Muqit, Al-Hasib, Az-Zalil, Al-Kari, Al-Ratib, Al-Mujib, Al-Wasi, Al-Haki, Al-Wadud, Al-Majid, Al-Ba'ish, Al-Syahid, Al-Haq, Al-Wakil, Al-Qabir, Al-Matin, Al-Wari, Al-Hamid, Al-Musi, Al-Mubdi, Al-Mu'iz, Al-Munni, Al-Muniz, Al-Hayy, Al-Qayy, Al-Wajid, Al-Majid, Al-Wahid, Al-Ahad, As-Samad, Al-Qadir, Al-Muqtadir, Al-Muqaddim, Al-Muakhir, Al-Awwal, Al-Akhir, Al-Dahi, Al-Batin, Al-Wari, Al-Muta'ali, Al-Bar, At-Tawwab, Al-Muntakim, Al-Afu, Allahu, Malikal Mandikal Zala wal Ikram, Al-Muqasir, Al-Jami, Al-Ghani, Al-Mumani, Al-Mani, Al-Dal, Al-Nafi, Al-Nur, Al-Hadi, Al-Bari, Al-Baqi, Al-Waris, Al-Rasib, As-Sabur.